How to verify Worldcoin without orb. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you how you can easily verify your Worldcoin account without the orb verification. So make sure that you watch the video carefully until the very end. So first of all, you just have to launch your Worldcoin mobile application, and now once you do this, on the home page you will be able to see all of your grants that you have get in the previous time, and on the home page you will be able to see the verify to claim option. So here you just have to tap on verify to claim, and after waiting for some time you will be shown the registration option. So you just have to tap on the register option, and then you will be able to see that whenever any orb verification is running in your country, then you will be able to notified in your email address. So you need to provide your email address and your phone number into it, and then whenever the orb is available you will be notified, and then you just have to go to that destination and you need to verify your account. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.